Hello friends, this is my third video, and in this syntax part third I will tell you how to make the subject using these conjunctions, and the syntax, that means basically you must know it is the collection of rules that join with the subject to the its suitable verb. For example, neither the students nor the teacher has or have gone to the school. In this sentence, the problem is that, try to understand the problem, whether has is suitable or have is suitable. Which one is suitable? Has or have? This is the problem. And to solve this problem, first find out the subject. The subject part, neither the students nor the teacher. Neither the students, it is plural, nor the teacher. The subject part, in the subject part, neither and nor is coordinating conjunction. It is joining two nouns, students and teacher. Now you have to choose which one is suitable. See which one, there are two nouns, which one is closer to the place of verb. Which one is closer to the place of verb? Here you have to put the verb. Which one is closer? Teacher is closer. Teacher is closer. So you have to decide the number of subject, means subject if the subject is plural, if the subject is singular, according to this noun. Teacher is singular. So the whole subject of sentence should be considered as singular. So here the singular, teacher is singular, so singular verb is suitable. Now have or has, which one is singular? You must know has is singular, whereas have is plural verb. Has comes with all the singular subject and have comes with all the plural subject. Okay? Now the next example, I am taking a next example. I am taking another example with either or. Either the boys or their friends has or have done this act. either the boys or their friends has or have done this act. You have to choose one, means whether the has is suitable, whether the have is suitable. Which one is suitable you have to choose. As I in the previous example, here is the place of verb, and you have to see when either or, neither nor, not only but also these conjunction are used in making of subject, then you have to choose the noun closer to the place of verb. Here this is the subject part, and two nouns, boys and friends is closer to the verb place of verb. So see, this word is plural, hence have is suitable, because plural, have is plural verb. So if this word is plural, the subject of this sentence becomes plural or act as plural subject. So it agree with plural verb only. So if you use has, it will be wrong. So don't use has when this noun is plural. Choose have. Have is the correct answer. Okay. Next example. Here, not only but also. Not only but also. Not only the students but also the teacher was and were. In this sentence, you have to choose which one is suitable, which verb, these two are verb, which verb will agree to the subject. Now the subject part, not only but not only the students but also the teacher. This is subject part, and this subject is formed with the coordinating conjunction not only but also, and the noun is students and teacher, and here is the place of verb, and which one you have to decide which one is closer to this place of verb. Teacher, this is closer, and the number of this noun, it is singular. Teacher is singular, teachers is plural. So teacher, here is the teacher is singular noun. So because it is singular noun, the whole subject of the sentence becomes singular, and you have to choose singular word. Was and were. Were is the verb used with only plural subjects, whereas was used with singular subjects. Not only the students but also the teacher was absent. Now here the three examples ends, and one more important point. Not only, neither nor, its Hindi meaning nahi to ye na wo, either or, या ये या वो. Not only but also, ना ही केवल यह और वह भी. नॉट ओनली द स्टूडेंट्स, ना ही केवल स्टूडेंट्स, बट ऑल्सो द टीचर, बल्कि टीचर भी वॉज absent, अनुपस्थित थे. Okay, thank you for watching. Keep watching these my videos.